Hi, this is Max with BeachLifeIncome.com. In today's video, we're going to continue our discussion about picking a niche. We said that you need to pick a niche that you're interested in, that you can write about, that you can blog about, and we talked about competition. And competition helps you understand whether or not people are searching for your topic, your niche, and whether or not people are spending money in that niche. And we looked at Keyword Planner the last time, and I'm going to show you a different tool that is not free, that I'll have a link below if you're interested in it. And it's called SpyFu. There's many out there, but SpyFu's been around. So let's take a look at SpyFu.com. Now you can see a little bit on this. It's not cheap. Google Keyword Planner is free, as I talked about. And this is very pricey, but very good also. And it provides something that Google Keyword Planner does not provide. And I'm not going to go into that in this video because we're talking about niche and whether or not you have a profitable niche or something that you should go into. So let's do our same topic, surf fishing, because that's what we used in Google Keyword Planner. So what you can see here is similar keywords, 11,000, and then surf fishing, and it kind of is pretty close to the Google. If you remember, 1,000 to 10,000 searches per month according to Google on surf fishing. Now, where they get this data, I don't know. Paid clicks, low percentage. Difficulty, that's the difficulty to rank, 59. Cost per click, about 61%, 61 cents, which if you remember in the last video, it ranged between, I think it was like 40 cents to $2. And once again, that's very subjective. It can vary depending on a lot of factors. And then we have ad buys, also ranks for surf fishing rigs and so forth, alternative views. And as you can see, they want you to log in to get other results. And then top AdWords by recommendations. And there's all kinds of other features here. Then there's organic reach, which we talked about in another video, where you naturally rank in Google, and it shows those that are the top 6. So if you were to go look at Google right now, what would be the top 6? It's YouTube, Half Hitch, and Wikipedia, and these others. That's not necessarily true. It depends on your region. It depends on what your search history is. There's a lot more to this than just saying, hey, these are the top 6. But forget all of that. The point is, this is just another tool to see if it's a good niche to be in. Are people paying money to put ads out? And if they are, then chances are there's money to be made in your niche. So there's a lot of other stuff on this website. We'll talk about it in another video. If you want to use this tool, go try it out yourself. There's a link below, and let me know what you think of it. So just to sum it up, what we want to do is find out whether or not people are searching, which they are, for this niche, and whether or not people are paying for advertising for this niche, and is it competitive? And we'll talk about the competitive part a lot more when we start talking about keyword research and so forth. But at a high level, it's good to be in something that is competitive. And then once you know that it's profitable, then you start targeting things that are less competitive as far as keyword phrases. And that's how you get traffic ultimately to your site. And we'll talk about those things much more when we're talking about how to get traffic and how to write your content and do keyword research and so forth. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got any questions, let me know.